Hey everyone, this is Kyle with P&S Detailing Products. And today I'm in the Rad Company studio and I want to show you how to take your faded fiberglass boat or RV from this to this. So to begin using Kyle's Boat and RV Restore, make sure you give it a really good shake before you begin your first steps. The first step to using Kyle's Boat and RV Restorer is applying enough product to the pad that you can go the distance. Remember, you have a very dry surface that you're gonna feed and it needs plenty of product. So make sure you apply all the product you're gonna need for that 3x3 area. Second thing you need is to choose your tool. Kyle's Boat and RV Restorer works great with long throw tools, forced action, and rotary, whatever your preference is. So the third thing about Kyle's Boat and RV Restorer is work in a 3x3 area. Now, depending on the age of the fiberglass and how dry it is, you may have to do this step a few times because you have this wicking, stuff's gonna come out of the surface and you're pushing stuff in. And that leads us to our fourth step. Make sure you cycle the product until it's gone. That'll give you an easy wipe off. So guys, it's that easy. You can definitely see a huge improvement in the shine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos here on the Rad Company YouTube channel.